I have great pleasure in being here this evening to officially open the Samma Glass and Aluminium factory. I have noticed with interest that Samma Glass and Aluminium management had started working to have the company ready for operation dated back as of June 2014. Indeed, government is grateful and we salute the management for this initiative, and as with any new company, there is a lot of effort and preparation that goes on before the commencement of any operation. I am pleased to note that strong data from my department indicates the investment growth, and in some areas the figures are indicative of a boom. The building permits. This indicates the strength of the government policies in bringing in investors, whether it's big or small. And at this juncture, I would like to wholeheartedly welcome the directors back in the country to invest. Anybody who wants to invest, they will first see the climate, the environment. And I'm proud to say that this government has created that environment. We in the government are proactive, focused, and transparent as it encourages investors from across the range of business and commercial areas. Within my ministry, the focus is directed at ensuring timely turnaround in all sectors to encourage investment. For example, we cleared 126 of the 128 applications for the subdivision under the Town and Country Planning Department in the month of May alone, including all of our backlogs. I'm impressing on the same kind of turnaround in all sectors and within my ministry. There is no time like now with the range of government investment, incentives from the tourism industry to building and construction to agriculture to IT to films, from microfinance to the millions being catered for. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm informed that Samma has a strong commitment to deliver quality glass and aluminium products for the commercial and residential markets for their laminated glass product tested by NADA approved cyclone testing station. Their new cyclone rated products are compliant for the Fiji region with current 2011 standard on impact test as well as wind load test. The commitment to ensure quality products for the Fijian people shows Samma Glass and Aluminium have Fiji's interest at heart when planning and initiating. I've also been informed that they have a variety of colored glass range that is only now available on the market for building projects. With consumer demand and design trends continuing to influence the need for other varieties of glass and aluminium products, local supply can now be assured with this company fully operational workshop here in Nadi. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm indeed happy to note that this company is equipped to handle different capacity projects coupled with an extensive stock range. With abundant experience and knowledge in the industry, I'm convinced that they will be able to offer innovative products and superior service to their customers in Fiji and South Pacific. All this means quality for our Fijian people. We are hopeful that with our support, they will achieve their business objective by providing quality product, service excellence, and meeting product demand. Ladies and gentlemen, with these few words, I would like to officially extend my congratulations to the Samma Glass and Aluminium management on this new business venture, and I now declare this workshop open. Thank you and Vinaka.